That cinematic shot, I made it by just typing in one sentence in the Claude. No editor, no separate app, no learning 10 different models. Let me show you exactly how to do this. So what exactly is MCP? MCP is basically, think of it like a USB port, but for AI. It's a standard that lets Claude plug straight into Magnific and use it for you. We're connecting an LLM with Magnific. They're going to talk to each other. The AI is going to do all the work for you. You're just simply the director that gives the instructions. It pulls in everything and lays it all out. So if you don't have a subscription to Magnific yet, there's a link in my description to get an additional 20% off discount when you do sign up. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is open up Claude, just like this. Now, in the bottom left-hand corner where your name is, go ahead and click this. Once you're in here, you're gonna go ahead and now select settings. After you open up settings on the left-hand side, select connectors. It should say connectors have moved to customize. So right here, click customize. Now, once we're in here, we're almost ready to go. Now, up in the top left-hand corner, you could see I already have these two connectors installed. It really is this simple. What you're going to want to do specifically, and what Magnific actually does to make this pretty simple, is this. If you go to Magnific's website for MCP, it gives you the very basic instructions right here. We have Claude Desktop, Claude Code, ChatGPT, Cursor, Codex, VS Code, Gemini, and Hermé. Now, today we're going to be using Claude Desktop. Now, you don't have to use desktop specifically. You can. You can also use the web version. Now, depending on what model you choose, it's going to provide you with this link right here. Now, for Claude Desktop specifically, if I select Add to Claude in one link like this, it's going to redirect me over here into Claude. All you have to do, now I already did this, I'm not going to hit Add again, is simply select Add and you're done. Or the other thing you can do is just simply copy this link right here. Hit this copy button. And now once you do that, up at the very top, we're gonna hit this plus button. We're gonna select add custom connector. Now you're gonna paste in that URL that you copied, hit add, and now you're done. Now what you wanna do first is test the connections. So then what you wanna ask is this. Say, what's my Magnific credit balance? If it gives you the specific details, you're successfully connected. Now back over here in the Claude. So now all we have to do is just specify our prompt. Look at this. We're gonna say, using Magnific, create a cinematic video of a woman walking her dog down the beach in Hawaii. As long as you mention Magnific, we're gonna be able to generate a video. And you can see over here, it's working. It's finding the tools and it's planning the video pre-production. And now look at this over here. I love this right here because Claude asks a question. What breed of dog? But remember, the purpose of this video today is really just to show you the basics, how to connect it, what an MCP is, and how to actually start using it. But once we really start diving deep, that's why I want you to hit that subscribe button. I'm going to create some videos that are really going to blow you away with the full capabilities and features of what we can create and build with MCPs. Okay, so now our video is done. Look how amazing this turned out. Okay, now moving on. Now let's take even more control. Here is what we're going to go ahead and paste in the Claude right here. Using Magnific, first generate a photorealistic cinematic still in 16:9 with Seedream 5. I went ahead and gave it my details. All right. Meta tokens like anamorphic lens, shallow depth of field. Then look at this. Let me go ahead and hit that enter button. Once it's done, you can see right here, animate that exact image into a 5-second video with Veo 3.1. More meta tokens, slow push in, show me the still, and the final video. Now hit this submit. This whole process is going to get to work. The difference now this time is that we're not going to give it control over what tools to use. We're saying what we want specifically. Now it's going to ask us the question. Claude wants to use list image models from Magnific. Say always allow. Now we're ready to go. Now our image is done and look what we get. Now what we're gonna do is this specifically. We're gonna type this into Claude verbatim. Take that still and upgrade it with Magnific Upscaler so that I have a 4K version for a thumbnail. And now we have the upscaled image, which will then convert into a video. Look how amazing this is. And again, we never left the chat. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And remember, check the links in the description to get a discount to Magnific. And if you like this video, please remember to hit that subscribe and like button. Until then, I'll see you next time.
dash got a cold blue shine. Your goodbye sits heavy on the passenger side. I learned quick how to swallow the smoke, how to wear a bruise like a silk coat when the world gets loud.
We're not in Texas anymore, Eric.